have a lot of perennials that actually can act almost like a ground cover, or they are a ground cover. We have a beautiful cranespill here that sort of spreads into a mounded form and stays green during the entire season as well as flowering. The plants that have felted leaves, all that great fuzzy stuff that children love to touch, they are plants that really don't like the water. They also are not particularly fond of water plus shade. Lamb's ear is a perfect example of that. Does beautifully in full sun, doesn't like mulch, doesn't like moisture. And you can see from the lamb's ear that we have here, some places where the stems themselves are all rotten and brownish. It's either a creature or it just rotted because of all the moisture. There's really only one solution for that. That is either to take the mulch away, take the water away, move those plants into a different location, give them exactly what they need. But if you look at what they do when they are happy, they also then cover that ground beautifully, give you really a low input landscape with a great amount of interest, at least in the fall, certainly in the summer, maybe not so much in the winter for those, because those felty leaves don't really like the winter conditions.